your gift. Hi, my name is Sean from Creative Haven YXE, and this is my mommy.
Hi.
If you like my videos, please leave a like and subscribe and hit that bell.
Excellent. All right. So let's show them what they need today to make our craft.
You need one of these, foam ball.
A foam ball. This one is 5.75 inches, about 6 inches.
And you need a small one of these.
2 foam discs.
One small, one big.
That's right. So this one is almost 10 inches and this one is 6 inches.
And you need this.
So these are bamboo knitting needles, and we only need one. These are a number 8, which is 5 millimeter. So you only need one of the bamboo knitting needles.
And you need a pencil.
And we'll need a pencil. And then
you need a medal.
So you got a brass ring that we've cut in half. And perfect. All right. So now that we have all of our pieces assembled, first thing we're going to do is paint our round discs. Paint them yellow. And
paint our globe.
That's right. Paint the ball blue. And then put the bamboo stick through the middle of it. If you put the stick through the middle of it before you draw on the world, then it's easier to hold it and draw it on and then paint it. So now we're going to draw out our map and then paint the map green. And away we go.
So now we've traced our continents with a green marker. Woo!
That's right. So we put all of the continents onto our globe, and now we're just going to paint them green. Fill them all in with green. So we'll take our green paint.
Which paint? Now that this is dry, we are going to add some texture to it. You will need a flat brush.
Right, so we're going to use I'll hold this for you to make it easier. We're going to use our flat foam brush.
How much do I add?
Okay, so we're just going to do a little bit, just a dabby. So about like that. Now dabby. Start in the middle.
Like here?
Yeah. See? Like that. And then just, again, make sure you don't go over the lines where we did. It's looking great. And you see how that yummy texture? Nice?
Yeah. we have painted these, we are going to glue them with white glue. You can also use hot glue.
Right, but we're just going to use white glue to put these two together.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so put some glue in there. Perfect. Then we're going to set this aside to dry. And then once it's dry and our globe is dry, then we'll finish assembling everything.
Yeah.
Booyah.
And then we're done.
Yes.
I am marking these with a marker.
All right, keep going.
Just find where I am. I'm doing the lines on a ruler.
That's right.
We need a grown-up help for this part because we're going to glue this onto this with hot glue.
That's right. So we'll get a grown-up to help us with the hot glue. So it's going to go right here. So when I'm gluing it, I'm going to hold the bottom to where I want it. Just like, come on, Mommy.
Go, Mommy.
Yeah, just like that. And I'm going to put just a little bit of hot glue on the top. And then I'll stick it to the rod, and then I'll put more hot glue
On the bottom.
right, and to make sure it's all stuck right into place.
Now we are going to put this into our ruler base.
That's right. So now that we've got our metal piece hot glued onto our globe, so if you wanted to, you could put a nice message on here. If you wanted to write your teacher's name on the ruler or school rules, I think that's what we might put on a little bit later. But right now we're just going to assemble it. So it's going to go in at an angle, and we're going to poke it through both of these layers, but not all the way to the bottom. So you help me, we'll line this up. So it's going to go just like that. Now push it in. Good job, keep going. And keep going. And move your little hand. All right, so it's not through the bottom. There it is.
There's our globe.
There's your globe, and it makes an amazing teacher gift.